What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. You love recording 120 frame per second slow-mo, but you want directly which you can playback in camera or directly from your computer without any editing. You need to use the SNQ. Go to SNQ and go to menu, camera setting to page 1, click SNQ setting. So 120 frame per second is selected and select 24p, which is 5 times slow. So yeah, that's simple. Again, let me repeat. Okay, if you want to record slow motion without any editing, you want to play it directly on your computer or smartphone, use SNQ, camera setting 2. Yeah, that's simple. Subscribe and bye.